If you're a science geek, you won't believe this. Lightning is hotter than the sun. A bolt of lightning can reach temperatures of 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Crazy, right? So how is that even possible? Well, when lightning strikes, it superheats the air around it, causing the air to expand explosively. This rapid expansion is what creates that thunderous boom we hear. But don't worry about getting fried. Lightning strikes are rare and usually avoid people. So next time you see a lightning storm, remember, you're witnessing one of nature's hottest shows. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring the wonders of our world. Catch you in the next electrifying episode.